Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a very general video that is about clearing the contents of all the memories and the modes of calculations which we use. Now what happens is the independent memory and the variable contents are retained even if you press the AC button, that is even if you off the calculator or change the calculation mode. So those variables or the memory are retained in the calculator. So if you want to clear those contents, we'll just see a simple way to do this. I'll just on the calculator. Now if you see, we already have this mat, that is the calculation mode is matrices. So even if I have turned off the calculator, it didn't go away. Similarly, I'll show you shift 4 and just entered one matrix before to show you this. And you see we have this matrix contents. I'll just show off this. And if I on this, you see the matrix mode is also there. And the matrix is also there. So very simple procedure to clear this. You press shift mode. So one, that is MCL, that is clear all the memories, and second is for clearing the mode. And if you press 3, then both are clear. We'll see one by one. Now if I press 1, that is memory clear. Okay, memory clear. Okay. So you can see the memory is cleared. We'll just check, that is shift 4, the matrix A equal to, you'll see dim error. That is you don't have any contents for matrix A, still you are asking to show the contents to the calculator. Since we had cleared the memory, you find nothing here. Now for clearing the mode, shift mode, you press the option 2. Okay, clear all the modes equal to. So mode clear, you get the response from the calculator. You press AC button and you can see the mat which was there earlier, it has disappeared. Now if you want to clear everything, you just press 3. So you'll get reset all to the default modes and press equal to. You'll see the option reset all on the display. That's all. It is as simple as this. Thank you.